Okay, day one of Chicken Plucker. I've got it all done. Made out of a lot of material. You can look at pictures to see detailed photos. I run a water hose up to the side and I've got it hooked up to a valve. And just to show you how that works, there is a bar that goes all the way around. It's actually just water pipe. Tied everything together here. And when you turn it on, that allows the water to go down the inside. And when you get ready to put the chickens in, I've got a electric switch there. It's all ground faulted, and I've got a motor down here. I've got the motor set with the cover on it, that way no water or anything can get on that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Down inside there's all the rubber fingers. There's turned on. And sounds like a washing machine, but anyway. Underneath, I'll show you what it looks like. There is pulleys and stuff down here. There's a 14-inch pulley and a 2.5-inch sheave on the motor. I've got a 61-inch belt on it. Yours, depending on what you make, will change. I've got two bearings in there, a pillar and a block. They're both ball bearing. You need two of them in order to keep the shaft going straight. There's set screws on those bearings to tie to the shaft so it doesn't move around, and there's set screw on the pulley as well. So, got my electric running right through here, brought it up over to the side, and took it back in there. On the inside of this weatherproof switch, I've caulked it back in there so no water can get in it. And I'll show you the cones here in a minute. We're going to get to killing some chickens, and I'll show you one more thing before I do that. Over on this side, I cut a hole in the side of the drum, and what that's for is to let all the water and the feathers come out. I took some sheet metal, made me a little chute to come out. I'm going to put a 2.5-gallon bucket underneath. I'm going to drill holes in the bucket, that way the water will continue to go out but the feathers will land in the bucket. Be a type of filtering system. I also put wheels on the bottom, ball bearing, and that way I can dolly it around. I put these makeshift handles up here, and I think I'm going to change the handles a little bit. I'm not real happy with them because I got screws going in the side. I may end up just making those out of angle iron, or maybe make an angle iron and then put wood around them or something. I'm not sure. I'd like to have it looking more like a shovel handle, something like that. But anyway, I'm going to redo the handles, so I'm not happy with them. Everything else I'm pretty happy with. I didn't have a clamp to tie on here, so I just put some Panduit straps on there. I'm going to take those off and put a clamp on. Got my water hose going to it. Quick connect right here for the water hose. And again, I can just use this ball valve. Their ball valve's a lot better than a gate valve to shut water on and off. So I'm going to get the chickens ready, and we're going to start bleeding them and get them thrown in Chicken Plucker, and I'll take some more videos as we go.